All right, if you're looking at St. Michael College of Engineering and Technology in Kalayarkoil, here's the number you'll need to remember. TNEA Code 5919. So let's dive in and see what this college is all about.
So, what's the story behind St. Michael College? Well, it's a self-financing college right in the Sivagangai district, and it has a really specific mission. They're focused on serving students from rural and suburban areas. You know, this isn't just a line on their website. It's something that seems to guide their entire approach.
Okay, let's get into the specifics. What makes this college tick? We'll start with its basic identity and mission.
Okay, here are the core facts you absolutely need to know. First off, it's a self-financing college affiliated with Anna University, Chennai. That means you're getting a standardized curriculum. For admissions, it's all through TNEA, and you're looking at a 65-35 split between the government and management quotas. And one more thing to note, it is a minority institution.
So what are they trying to achieve? Their vision statement is pretty clear. They want to create technocrats who can solve real-world problems for humanity. What that tells us is that they're not just about theory. They're really focused on practical, hands-on engineering that actually makes a difference.
All right, let's talk academics. What can you actually study here? Let's take a look at the undergraduate engineering programs they offer. Now, for everyone planning for the 2026 admissions, this is a crucial number. The college has a total of 360 BE and BTech seats available through TNEA counseling, so 360 seats in total. And those 360 seats, they're spread across 8 different engineering programs. That gives you a pretty decent range of options to choose from. So here are the branches. You've got your core disciplines like mechanical, ECE, and computer science. But what's interesting is they've also introduced newer specializations. I'm talking about AI and machine learning, and biomedical engineering. It's great to see them keeping up with what the industry demands right now. Okay, academics are one thing, but what about the support systems? That's just as important, right? So let's get into the scholarships and the campus facilities.
When it comes to financial aid, the college helps you access all the major government scholarships. You've got the SC/ST, BC/MBC, and minority scholarships. And importantly, the first graduate scholarship is available, which, as you know, can be a huge help for many families.
But here's something that really stands out. On top of the government aid, the college has its own scholarship programs. They've got schemes based on merit, for sports, for students from single-parent families, and even for those from economically weaker sections. This really ties back to their core mission of serving students from all backgrounds, doesn't it?
And if you're planning to stay on campus, you'll be glad to know they have separate hostels for boys and girls. The mess offers both veg and non-veg options, so they've got you covered there.
For day scholars, the college runs its own bus service, which is super convenient. And if you're looking at public transport, the nearest railway station is in Sivagangai, just about 15 kilometers away. And just to give you a feel for the place, the campus itself is spread across a good 30 acres in Kalayarkoil. All right, now we come to the big question, the one every student and parent wants to know. What about jobs after you graduate? Let's talk placements. Look, for any family, this is the bottom line, isn't it? You're investing 4 years of time and money. So you need to know about the career outcomes. So let's get straight to the numbers. So according to the college's own data, the placement rate they've reported is 91%. Yes, 91%. Now, it's important to know where that number comes from. That 91% figure is what the college itself reported in the official TNA 2025 information booklet. So that's the source for this data. Okay, let's bring it all together for a final thought. Just a quick note, all the information we've gone through today is based on what's available on the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time we put this together. To explore more engineering colleges, head over to profsam.com. It's your true source for all those big decisions, from 12th to engineering.